In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Shopify as a seller tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new Shopify store created and ready for you to explore. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Shopify website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding and give yourself a stable internet connection so pages load smoothly. If you're doing this on mobile, that's fine too. Shopify's setup works well on phones and tablets, but a laptop or desktop will usually feel easier for the first setup. On the homepage, look for the option to start your free trial. This is the quickest way to get into the platform and see everything before committing. If you already know you're ready to pay for a plan, you can choose to subscribe instead. Either path leads you into the same setup flow. The free trial simply lets you explore before any charges begin. Next, log in with your preferred email. Use an email address you check regularly, as Shopify may send important account and store notifications there. You might be asked to create or confirm account details during this step. Keep your login information secure and consistent so you can easily access your store later. You'll then be asked to indicate where you would like to sell. This usually includes options like your online store, social channels, marketplaces, or in-person sales with point of sale. Choose the option or options that best match how you plan to sell. Don't worry, these preferences help tailor your setup and can often be adjusted later. Answer the specific questions that appear next. These typically ask about what you plan to sell, your business stage, your location, and other details that help personalize your dashboard. Provide accurate information so Shopify can set defaults like currency and shipping region that fit your needs. Think of this as the platform customizing itself around your goals. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You may be guided to choose a store name, confirm your business region, and review a few basic settings. Take a moment to read each screen carefully. If you're unsure about any field, you can often update it later in your settings. Once you've completed the prompts, your store will be created. You'll land in the Shopify admin dashboard, where you can explore your storefront, products, and settings at your own pace. Congratulations, your store is now set up and ready for the next steps whenever you are.